Hello everyone and welcome to Sci Marvels. Today we are diving into seemingly simple question, which is bigger, 2 or 1.005 to the power of 200. At first glance, 2 seems like the obvious winner, but hold on, exponent, especially the large ones, can be surprisingly tricky. As you know, this number is more complicated than 2. There are 3 digits after decimal. So how should we do it? We can write this number as a fraction. So 1.005 to the power of 200 equals to 1 plus 1 over 200 all to the power of 200. Now I'm going to write some of this term. First one, 1 plus 1 over 200. Second one, 1 plus 1 over 200. Third one, 1 plus 1 over 200. Just write some of them. Now I have a question. How many 1 plus 1 over 200 are there? Of course 200, because the exponent is 200. Now we have analyzed the left hand side, 1.005 to the power of 200. So in the next step, we should analyze this term 2. 2 can be written as a fraction, 400 over 200, and we are going to write this as follows. The denominator is 200 and the numerator, I'll write it as 201 and then times the second fraction. The denominator is 201 and the numerator is 202. And for the third fraction, the denominator is 202 and the numerator is 203. And the last term, denominator is 399 and the numerator is 400. After simplifying the fraction, we reach 400 over 200 again. Now I have a question. How many numbers are there in the product? Of course, again 200. So we should find how we can write this term in previous form. The first one, 201 over 200 equal 1 plus 1 over 200. The second one, 202 over 201 equal 1 plus 1 over 201. The third one, 203 over 202 equal 1 plus 1 over 202. The second last, 399 over 398 equal 1 plus 1 over 398. And the last one, 400 over 399 equal 1 plus 1 over 399. Now if we substitute this term in the main fraction, we have the similar form of the 1.005 to the power of 200. Also, you should remember when two fractions have same numerator and different denominator, for example, a over b and a over c. If b is greater than c, the a over b is less than a over c. So by using this principle, we have from the second fraction, from this equation, 1 plus 1 over 201 is less than similar term. And 1 plus 1 over 202 is less than similar term. Also, for the second last, 1 plus 1 over 398 is less than this term, and so on. Therefore, this is always less than this one. So, we can get the answer as 1.005 to the power of 200 is greater than 2. Also, we can check our answer with calculator. Let's explore comparing numbers. Can you use the previous method to compare 1.01 to the power of 100 and 3? Share your solution in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Sci Marvels adventures in the world of math and science. Thank you.